నా నుంచి
సో ఇక్కడ
అలా
హోస్ట్ నేమ్. ఓకే, హోస్ట్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసి
అంటే
అప్పర్ కేస్ ఇచ్చావా ఏమన్నా?
ఆ,
జి కేస్ సెన్సిటివ్ చెక్ చేద్దామండి. జిఎల్ఓ.dev.com ఓపెన్ కొట్టండి, వర్క్ అవుతుంది. సో ఏం చేద్దాం అంటే కనుక ఇది క్లోజ్ చేసేసి అప్పర్ కేసులు ఇద్దాము. జిఎల్ఓ.dev.com క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఓపెన్. వర్క్ అవుతుంది.
ఇప్పుడు మనం లాగిన్ ఇచ్చాక పాస్వర్డ్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి సరే చూపిస్తుంది.
ఏపీఎల్ ఎంజిఆర్ ఇచ్చాను. ఆ, ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేద్దాం. కొద్దిగా టైం పడుతుంది, వెయిట్ చేద్దాము. ఇక్కడ పాస్వర్డ్ వచ్చింది కదా స్వాతి. ఇప్పుడు ఎం బి క్యాపిటల్ అంతా అప్పర్ కేసులు ఇవ్వండి. MBR 123. సో మీకు కనిపించదు పాస్వర్డ్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నట్టు, కానీ ఇంటర్నల్గా వెళ్ళిపోతుంటుంది. ఎంటర్ చేసేసుకోండి, ఎంటర్ సింబల్. ఎస్, వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయి.
నేను కనిపించట్లేదని డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేయడంతో అదే చూపిస్తుంది.
ఆహా, మేబీ ఓకే. ఆహా, డబ్బా, ఓకే ఓకే. అది నువ్వు
అది
కనిపించదు. అది కింద సెక్యూరిటీ, కానీ పాస్వర్డ్ అయితే వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటుంది. మన విండోస్లో అయితే కనుక మీకు స్టార్ కనిపిస్తుంది పాస్వర్డ్. ఆ పుట్టిలో అది కూడా కనిపించదు. అంటే మీరు క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నారో కూడా హైడ్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే.
ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. మహేష్ మహేష్ గంగాధర్, ఇది వర్క్ అయింది అది. గంగాధర్.
అయింది సార్.
ఓకే, గుడ్. ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్కడ? అది స్పేస్ కదా ఇది.
అవును సార్, స్పేస్ ఒకటే.
స్పేస్, ఓకే, గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్. ఇంకెవరైనా స్టక్ అయ్యారా?
సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
CD$PO_TO టాప్ ఇస్తాం కదండి సార్, అక్కడ తర్వాత నుంచి నాకు ఫైల్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అని చూపిస్తుంది సార్.
ఒక్క నిమిషం. నీది బాబురావు మిషనేనా?
అవును సార్.
సరే, నేనేం చేస్తాను కనుక ఉషా, నా స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా.
ఆ,
సో నేను అప్పర్ యారో కొడుతున్నాను. నీ కమాండ్ కనిపిస్తుంది, ఒకసారి నాకు చెప్పు.
ఆ,
XXATD ఉషా ఎక్కడైతే ఉందో అక్కడ నాకు చెప్పలే.
ఓకే సార్.
నువ్వు ఏం తప్పించో నేను చెప్తాను. లేదంటే నాకు కేస్ సెన్సిటివ్ చూద్దాం. నీలిమ. నీలిమ. హరి దీది. హరి. నందిని. నీలిమ. మాధవి. నాగిని. నాగిని. సుమ.
రామ్
ఇది నాది వచ్చింది. ఉషా, ఇది రాలేదు అసలు. ఇది రామ్ లేదు.
చేశాను. రామ్
లేదు
సార్.
లేదు 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 లేదు. ఇంకా పై ఇక్కడ ఉందిలే. ఇక్కడ ప్రాపర్గా ఇచ్చావు. ఫస్ట్ సిడి జుడు తప్పించావు. కమాండ్ జుడు ఉషా, నీదేది. సిడి
సి
స్పేస్ ఇవ్వాలి ఫస్ట్. తప్పు ఇక్కడ
ఓకే.
చేసావు నువ్వు. అందుకని అది ఏం చేసింది? ఇలా ఇవ్వడం వల్ల నీకేమవుతుంది? నీ కరెంట్ డైరెక్టరీ ఉంటుంది. అంటే మీరు లాగిన్ కాగానే ఉషా ఏమవుతుంది అంటే, మీరు డిఫాల్ట్ /home/appl_mgr. This is your home directory. So by default, you okay, you will connect it to the home directory. If you give the wrong command, that means still you are in the home appl_mgr. So that's
ఓకే
why
సార్.
it is showing the so now what I will do, better one thing will this is your proc file name. Now it will work. Okay, I will show. Okay, now okay, I'm changing the path. I'm changing your command cd space dollar PO top is the uppercase, Usha. Please, okay, now
ఓకే.
be careful with the Unix. PO_top/bin. BIN bin. Okay. enter. So how do you know whether you're in the right path or not? By giving the command pwd. Pwd is the lowercase, cd is the lowercase, po top is the uppercase. Then enter. Now I'm in the correct. Then execute your command. What the next command? chmod 777 space your file name. Yes, now it's working. Now what the next command? DOS to
Dot unit
Unix
units.
space your file name.
Yes, sir.
Next, converted. Okay, na? Removed special characters. Next, ln hyphen yes dollar fnd
Fine.
underscore top, not a find foundation. Okay, na?
Yes,
Don't
sir.
say find. That's wrong word. Okay,
Okay,
bin
sir.
fnd cpesr space. Don't give the .proc.
Okay.
Okay, na? So for link file, that's it. So now you can go with your executable concurrent program, Usha. It will
Okay,
work.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So, no. I will check, okay, na, proc file also, whether you turn the proper or not. Then you will go with your executable. Echo, hello, CD. Yeah, good. Everything is good. Okay, now you can go with the Usha later.
Okay,
It will.
sir.
Next, Swati, నీకు వర్క్ అయింది అది?
రావు
హలో,
రావట్లేదు.
సేమ్ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుందా?
చేయలేదు.
ఒక స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తావా?
సరే. నేను చేస్తాను, చేసి మళ్ళీ
ఓకే షూర్. ఓకే. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకెవరికైనా ఉన్నాయి ఇష్యూస్?
సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
నాకు ఇది కాంక్రీట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటబుల్ లో ఎర్రర్ ఉందని వస్తుంది సార్.
అంటే సబ్మిట్ చేసిన తర్వాత నా ప్రోగ్రాము?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే, విల్ చెక్. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ షేరింగ్ మై స్క్రీన్. ఎలిమా, యువర్ యూజర్ నేమ్ ఇస్ నీలిమా, కరెక్ట్ నా? నీలిమా లోకేష్.
లోకేష్.
నీలిమా స్పేస్ నా స్పేస్?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే. Okay, now I'm going to your responsibility. View a request, find. Okay, click on view log. Okay, nothing is there. We'll check your file first. Nilima.proc echo mkdir. Okay. So what you have to do, first to go to that one. chmod 777. Then DOS to Unix. Then, so already Nilima generated a soft link. I'm going to delete that. Then I will create one more time. Okay, so I done all the operations. chmod 777, remove the special characters and regenerating the soft link. So at that time, you guys plus delete the existing soft link and generate one more time. Yeah. Then I'm going to submit a program. Submit a new request. Okay. Click on copy button. Select the program. Submit. No. Refresh. Okay. Completed. Normal.
Yes,
So
sir.
everything is fine. So go to home APPLMCR and check. Okay. Now, yeah. Now I could see ATD_PO_ Nilima folder.
Okay, sir.
So maybe okay na you didn't execute the commands properly, Nilima. That's why you should okay na you have to check the each command result whether the command
Okay,
was executing properly or not. So once you execute the command the put here, please check the status. So okay na last time Usha did na CD without space. It will throw the error. You guys could check properly. Then only go with the next command. Okay. So any other queries?
Sir,
Tell me.
good morning, sir.
Good morning.
SQL స్టార్ లోడర్ అది ఫైల్ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ అని వస్తుంది సార్.
File not found.
Unable to open file.
Okay. 1 minute. నీ యూజర్ పేరు చెప్పు.
సుమా
లాగ్. ఓకే. 5432. Go to PO Suma. Go to find option. Customer. Click on the vlog. Home APPLMZ customer_data.txt. Customer_data.txt. We'll check whether the file is there or not. Customer_. It is there now. CUSTOMA. Customer_data.txt. Home APPLMGR customer_data. That's right now. We will try one more time. Submit a new request. Okay. Copy. Submit. No. Refresh. Let's completed.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఎవరో పేరు రీనేమ్ చేసింటారు నాకు తెలిసి డేటా. ఓకేనా డేటా ఫైల్ ఎవరో మేబీ సమ్ ఓకేనా సమ్వన్ కరప్టెడ్ ద ఫైల్. Maybe that is the reason. We'll click on the vlog. Yeah, you could see 3 records loaded successfully. Okay, next. If you are good here, I will go to new topic. Okay, we'll jump to new topic. Okay, so now tell me here, what is the command to print messages in log file using the proc file or maybe shell script? Echo. Okay, so good. Yeah. Next, what is the executable name for shell script? Executable name. 5 methods మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాము. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద 5 methods, so yesterday we worked last method. What is the executable name?
Host.
Host. Good, yeah. Okay. Host is the execute. These two are the important questions here. No one will ask what is the DOS to Unix. No one will ask what is the chmod 777. But you should, yeah. Okay. Na? And once you develop the proc file, where you are keeping? In server path. Which server path you are placing the proc file?
bin sir.
Before that, the bin is right. Before that,
PO
12.0.0 bin.
before that,
PO.
no, don't say PO. The word is
PPL.
custom tab. The custom tab, even no need to say 12.0.0. You can say custom tab bin folder. There I will drop my prog files and my control files. Okay. We'll go to new topic today. That's executable and concurrent program. The Windows. So till now we created multiple programs. SQL Star Plus, PL SQL Stored Procedure, Oracle Reports, SQL Star Loader, Shell Script, UTL file. Total 6 programs we developed and we created 6 executables, 6 concurrent programs. So today we'll discuss here. So that executable name, short name, we'll discuss everything today. So now I'm going to System Administrator, Concurrent, Program, Executable. So suppose here, today I'm going to develop a new report, xxatd underscore AR underscore invoice underscore report. So this is my client requirement here. So for that, I'm going to develop a .rdf. This is my file name, xxatd underscore AR underscore invoice underscore report.rdf. So till now what we did, copy the file name blindly, enter in the executable, enter in the short name, then application name, we took the purchasing, execution method, it's a 5 methods. So for this Oracle reports, then okay, now file name equal to your file name. Okay, now so blindly. So we enter the executable name, short name, application name. Okay, now we'll discuss. Yeah. So executable name, you can take any name. Even if you want, you can take a underscore exls. No problem. Yeah. Oracle can allow you to take any value, but Oracle will not allow the duplicate. So no need to take same as file name. Keep you in your mind here. So till now we developed 6 programs. For each program, we consider the file name. But next time onwards. So if you want, you can go with your own name also. But that wouldn't be duplicate. Oracle will not support the duplicate executable name. You can take anything. You can take XX or YY, anything here, no problem. But that should not be exist in the system. So this executable is not linking to the your file name. But as per the Oracle standards, best practice here, you have to take executable name equal to file name. If you want, you can go with some extra here, so underscore exe. Otherwise, you can ignore, no problem. If you look into Oracle code here, so whatever the file name or whatever the procedure name, that is equal to your executable name. If you want, you can take some underscore exe. Otherwise, you can ignore, no problem. Then okay. Short name also same here. You can take okay, e underscore short name, executable short name. So it is also free text. You can take any value, but it won't support the duplicate. So once you save the record, next time we can't take that same value. Always it will be unique in the system. The application here. Suppose you are developing the report and you are keeping that report, that's a report for the AR module or maybe account receivables. Then you will keep in the AR tab in real time. Forget about not for us here. As a developers, will keep in the custom tab coming to Oracle. So if it is the procurement department, Oracle kept the code in the pivot tab. Then like inventory tab, around 200 plus tabs are there. So today I developed one report and I kept that report in the pivot tab. Pivot tab. Now here I need to take the application name as the purchasing. Then Oracle will look into the pivot tab. If you give the purchasing, Oracle will look into the pivot tab. Suppose I developed a report and I kept that report in the AR tab. Then you have to take the application name as the receivables. Now I will take the application name as the receivables. Now tell me here, what is the purpose of the application name? What is the purpose of the application name? What is the use of this one? Application. I developed a code here and I kept that code in the pivot tab. I transferred my code to pivot tab. Then here I'm taking the receivables. What will happen at runtime? My code will execute properly or it will throw the error? No. The reason is if I give the application name as the receivables, my Oracle concurrent manager will look into AR tab. It will go to and it will search the file name in the AR tab. So if I give the application name as the payables, where it will search? It will search in the AP tab. If I give the application name as the purchasing, then only it will look into the pivot top. So now tell me here, what is the purpose of the application?
అది ఎక్కడ సెర్చ్ చేయాలనుకుంటుందో అక్కడ సెర్చ్ చేసేలాగా ఉంటుంది సార్ అది application.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా యా. సో టు ఐడెంటిఫై ద టాప్, మీరు ఏ టాప్లోకి వెళ్ళి ఫైల్ వెతకాలని చెప్తుంది అది. సో దట్స్ ద మెయిన్ పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ ద అప్లికేషన్ యా, టు ఐడెంటిఫై ద ప్రొడక్షన్ టాప్ ఆర్ కస్టమ్ టాప్. సో ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్ విల్ టేక్ ద కస్టమ్ అప్లికేషన్, then it will look into the custom tab. But coming to Oracle code here, Oracle code based on the purchasing, receivables, payables. The main purpose of the application is to identify the top. Which top? Suppose I developed code and I kept that code in the AR top. Suppose if I take application name as the purchasing, then my program will be ended in the error. The reason is my program will look into the pivot top. It won't look into the AR top. So you have to take the right application name. Suppose you are going to keep code in the AP tab, then which application you will take here? You will take the payables. Then only your code will execute properly. So this is the dependent here. Forget about executable and short name. These two are not depending upon your file name, but application name. So to identify your top name, maybe it's a production tab or custom tab. If you keep your code in the custom tab, then take the custom application. If you keep your code in the production tab, then take the production application name, like payables, receivables, inventory. So if you take some wrong here, then finally once you submit a program through SRS window, the program will be ended in the error. So how do I know? How do I know as a developer? We have 200 plus tabs are there. How do I know? AP means payables, AR means receivables. How do I know as a developer? INV means inventory. Next OE means, sorry, ONT. ONT means order management. Like that, 200 plus applications are there. For each application, there is one production tab or custom tab. As a developer, how do I know? So you have to go to one navigation here. This is important for you guys. Go to application developer. Go to application developer. Application register. Then okay na, F11, enter the application name as the purchasing. Control F11, you will get the pivot tab. Suppose okay na, application name is order management. Then control F11, you will get the one. Even if you don't know the top name or application name, if you come to this navigation, you will get everything here. You will get the mapping between the application name and the top name. అంటే ఏ టాప్లో ప్లే చేస్తే మీరు ఏ అప్లికేషన్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఇక్కడ ఈ విండోకి వస్తుంది మనకు. సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇయర్, ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్ హౌ టు గెట్ అప్లికేషన్ నేమ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద టాప్ నేమ్. ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్ ఇయర్, హౌ టు గెట్ application name based on the top name, and vice versa. Vice versa means if you know the application name, you will get the top name. How to get application name based on the top name and vice versa. Navigation here. Go to application developer. Go to application developer. Go to application developer. Go to application developer. Application register. Application register. F11, enter application name, case sensitive, enter application name, control F11. Okay, so in real time here, your manager asked you to kept code in the XX80D. This is the custom tab name. Listen there, your team lead asked you to develop a code and drop the file in the XX80D custom tab. Then while creating the executable, so how do you know the application name? మీకు టాప్ నేమ్ తెలుసు, బట్ అప్లికేషన్ నేమ్ మీకు తెలియదు, మీరు ఎలా కనుక్కుంటారు?
ఇందులోకే వచ్చి సార్ మనము కస్టమ్ టాప్ ఇస్తే
ఓకే, సూపర్ ఇయర్. ఇక్కడ మీరేమిస్తారు? షార్ట్ నేము ఎక్స్ఎక్స్ ఏటీడీ
టీడీ
ఇస్తే కనుక ఇచ్చి కంట్రోల్ F11 కొట్టండి. మీకు రియల్ టైంలో వర్క్ అవుతుందిలేండి. ఇక్కడ ఓకేనా, వీఆర్ ఇన్ ద ఓకేనా బాబు మెషిన్స్, నో కస్టమ్ అప్లికేషన్. సో సేమ్ నావిగేషన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ యర్. సో గో టు ఓకేనా అప్లికేషన్ డెవలపరు, అప్లికేషన్ రిజిస్టర్ F11, ఎంటర్ ద టాప్ నేమ్. దట్ వుడ్ బి ప్రొడక్షన్ టాప్ నేమ్ ఆర్ కస్టమ్ టాప్ నేమ్. Then press Control F11. Now you will get the application name. Then you can create executable and congruent program in that applications. మీరు ఫస్ట్ విత్ ఇన్ 1 వీక్లో స్ట్రక్ అవుతారు ఇక్కడే పక్కా. ఓకేనా, స్ట్రక్ అవుతారు. ప్లీజ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ప్రాపర్లీ ఇయర్. అంటే మీకు తెలవాలి యాజ్ అ డెవలపర్ యూ షుడ్ టేక్ కేర్. ఓకేనా, ఇఫ్ యూ గివ్ ద అప్లికేషన్ నేమ్, హౌ టు గెట్ ద టాప్ నేమ్, అండ్ వైస్ వర్సా. ఇఫ్ యూ నో ద టాప్ నేమ్, హౌ టు గెట్ ద అప్లికేషన్ నేమ్. ఈజ్ దిస్ విండో ఈజ్ క్లియర్ టు యూ? ఓకే కదా అందరికీ? ఎనీ క్వైరీస్ హియర్? Okay. Now we'll go to
Sir, how to see all the 200 names?
yeah, sure, yeah, that's a good. Go to application developer, application register. So normally I'm pressing F11, then enter the application name, blah blah blah. Control F11. This is for only one record. If I want to see all the record, just to open the form, nothing. Just to open the form, directly enter Control F11. Otherwise, okay, I will tell one more shortcut for you guys. Go to view, query by example, enter. Just look into my screen carefully. Then don't give any value. Keep it blank. View, query by example, run. It's a 1 equal to 1. You will get all the data. Now you could see the whatever the application names, custom productions, everything I will get it here. So is that will help you?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So you could see all the 200 plus application names and corresponding top names also. So చెప్పండి మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు navigation, how to get all the data. Open any form in Oracle Apps, view, query by example, enter. Don't enter any value. Keep a blank. View, query by example, run. Equal, that means where 1 equal to 1. You will get all the data from the database. Okay. So with these navigations, you will get the data. Okay. Now we'll go to system administrator, concurrent, program, executable. Okay. So executable name is, what the executable name? Free text. You can give any value. Oracle can allow. Short name, it is also free text. You can take any value. No problem. Oracle can allow. Then application, it's a free text or it's a dependent? What about application? You can take any value or based on your department requirement. Yeah, it's based on our department requirement. You're working for the procurement for, take the purchasing and keep that file in the pivot tab. If you're working for the payables, keep code in the AP tab and take the application name as the payable. It's a dependent on your top name or department name. Next. If I give the receivables, it will look into the AR tab. Then execution method here. In that particular pivot tab or AP tab, we have the 12.0.0. Under the 12.0.0, we have the some subdirectories like a forms, reports, SQL, bin, where we have to search that code. So under that particular production tab, with the application name, the Oracle will identify your top name. Under that top name, again, your file may be present in the forms, may be present in the reports, or maybe the SQL or bin. So to identify that subdirectory, then the execution method will help you. Suppose if I take execution method is Oracle reports, my concurrent manager will look into reports folder. If I take execution method as SQL star plus, then it will look into the SQL folder. If I take the host, it will look into the bin folder. So the purpose of the execution method is to identify the subdirectory under the production tab or custom tab. So very, very important here, execution method. At last here, execution file name, exact your name. It's a case sensitive and no need to give the extension. No need to give the .rdf, no need to give the .sql, just give the file name. That's enough. At runtime, Oracle will take care of that. to get the right file name from the server. So now onwards here. So when you create a new concrete program, maybe tomorrow we are working on one more program coming to parameters, nothing but value sets. At that time, may you can go with your own executable name, may you can go with your own short name, but application name should be based on your requirement. Then execution method also based on which code you are going to develop. If you are developing the package, take the PL SQL. If you are developing the Oracle reports, take the Oracle reports. Like that, you have to take care. Then file name equal to, so whatever the file or whatever the procedure you are going to create. It is a case sensitive. So please note down here. First executable name. Better I will write here. So no need to write down. Executable name here, it's a free text. Oracle will not allow duplicate. What about short name? Executable short name. Executable short name. That is also same here. Free text, Oracle will not allow duplicate. Then application. What is the purpose of the application? Identify top. Identify top. That could be the production top or that could be the custom top. Anything here. Custom top. Then executable name. Executable type. Method again, executable method. What the purpose of that? To identify subdirectory. Directory under top. Okay, or maybe to identify technical folder. Technical folder. That's a forms or reports or SQL or bit. Then file name. File name equal to file name or procedure name or package.procedure name. So you will get a chance here. Later we'll work on the packages. As of now, we developed only PL SQL stored procedure. Later we'll develop a PL SQL packages. At that time, we will give the package name dot procedure name. Keep this word in your mind here. After 10 days, I will ask this question. So if you develop a packages in file name, which one I need to take? You should take a package name dot procedure. Same question I will repeat after 2 weeks. Okay. So this is about executable window. Any queries here in the executable window? So I'm asking one query here. Please help me. So today I'm going to develop a one report, XXATD AR invoice report.rdf. So I need to register in Oracle applications. So please help me here. This is my file name. I'm opening executable window. ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకోవాలి చెప్పండి. What value I need to take here? What value I need to take here? It's a free text. You can take any value, no problem. Best to practice, go with the file name here. Short name also, free text, you can take any value, no problem. Application name, in real time, please take a custom application name. But here it is not there. In real time, you could say, yeah. Okay. As of now, here I'm taking the receivables. You can ignore that here. In real time, we should take the custom application name. Then execution method equal to, it's .rdf. .rdf means we should take the Oracle reports. If it's a .ctl, I will take a .ctl.
Star loader.
Star loader. SQL star loader. Right. Then file name equal to your RDF name. So like that, you have to register here. Only the clumsy thing is application name. So that you need to check with your team lead. He will give the top name. Based on the top name, you guys will identify the application name. Don't ask your team leader. They will come to know you do not have proper experience. Okay, na? Better get the top name. That's a mandatory. Then based on the top name, you will get the application name. How to get the application name based on the top name? We have to go to application developer, application register. With that navigation, you will get the application name. And vice versa also. If you know the application name, you will get the top